KP Bukiti Video Production.
Hello guys, how you doing today? It's a little hot right here in North Carolina, I'm telling you. That's why I got the fan there, you know, because it's pretty hot. Okay guys, today's video is related to these babies. It's the motor mount. This one is the 2011 BMW 528i. So we're gonna replace both, as usual. We cannot replace one, both every time. And then make sure when you replace engine mounts or whatever, make sure you replace that baby as well. It's the transmission mount. Like that, you avoid a headache in the future because you don't want that thing break and then you gotta do the whole job again. So let's do it, boy. Okay guys, now you can see the bottom part of the motor mount right there, the black area. See? Let me go to the top area right here. You can see it right there. That part. This one. I see I got a little bit of leak here. No, I know the car got a little bit of leak too. I got it fixed. I think the block is broken, so I gotta repair that thing too. And the other side is the motor mount. You can see it. It's right there. That one there. Yeah. So I gotta remove those screws there. It's 3 screws. Yeah. Let's see if I can see better from here. It's one there. The other one is that one there. And the other one is inside. What is it? Hold on, I don't see it. Oh, this one. That one. This one is pretty long. It's a long hole. Okay, so this guy. You wanna help? Yeah, I got it. Oh my lord. How you doing? Oh yeah. Gonna be a lot of work. See you later. Okay, so let's keep on working. Okay guys, now I gotta remove the bar and remove all these things to be able to go down to the passenger, I mean the driver side mount, motor mount. So it's a lot of stuff I gotta take off. It's all the way down there. Oh, so I gotta take that thing off, take some pipes, dots, a lot of stuff. Well, let's do it. Okay, now that I took the filter cover off, filter house, the air filter house, we can see the motor mount. That one, baby. This one. This is screws by the side. So now I got a jack. Put another jack in the bottom to hold the weight of the engine to not fall down when I take the mounting off. Let's do it. Okay, this is how it looks like from the bottom. Right there. This is our engine mount right here. This one. So now I got a lot of space to work from top and take that screw off. That bolt over there. This one is the one that holding the motor mount, plus the one I showed you before, the other 3. Anyway, let's keep going. Now I'm gonna lose the lines, you know, holding. It's attached to the mount. So I gotta disconnect it from there because if not, When I move the engine up, we're gonna maybe mess up the lines. I gotta disconnect those two lines. Look at the neck. Anyway. Also, we gotta disconnect the plug from the oil pan, because you know when I move the engine up, I don't want to affect anything there. So let me stick my finger here, pull it. That's it. That's the brake. Okay, I'm gonna put some place here. Stay there. Now I gotta lose those bolts. I got help from my son now. I got power now. Let me see. We get 13, size 13. This one is 13, yeah. 13, I already lose it. I got only 113 here. Inside there. I already lose that one too. Okay. The only one, this one is tough. I don't know why. Let me see. Hey, this one is tough. Maybe I gotta get a braking bar. Let me get a braking bar. Okay, let's see now. Now it's working fine. Good. I'm gonna do it like that because I gotta put the engine up to lose the other one on top. Okay, guys. That one there. I gotta lose it. That's good. Got bolt on me. Maybe 14. Let me check. Oh. Crazy. Let's see how can I get there. Gotta split the lines. Let me see how can I do that. Take the bracket first. Okay. Let me see. Oh yeah. It was killing me. Yeah. Let me see now. I'm gonna use the blaster to bolt and not buster. Oh yeah, let's do it, boy. Let's put the thing in on top of that piece of crap. Let's see. Just a little bit. Leave it there for a little while. I'll be back later. Finally, guys, look. That thing was a pain in the neck. 1/4 to be able to lose it. This little one, the flexible one. Because it's not, the other one don't fit it. And the little braking bar. You gotta invent things sometimes. Okay. Okay, this one is loose. Now I gotta pick up the engine up. But I gotta lose the other one too. Okay, I got this one off. This is a E14. Man, the thing was giving me a hard time, but I got it off. Now let me go to the other side and lift the engine. This one is the one. I think this one is the lowest spool. Side 13 long bolt. here, and the other one is right here. Okay, this one is there. You see it comes loose. Okay, jack a little bit from there. Jack a little bit more. Okay. Hold on. Let's see. Okay, a little bit more. Go ahead. A little more. Okay, a little bit more. Leave it there. Leave it there. Let's see if we can. Go a little high. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's cool. Got it off. Passenger, I mean not a passenger, the driver's side is already complete. So we really tie those screws, bolts, whatever. Now I gotta put the lines together and let me replace the bolt. The passenger side now. Okay, we'll be back. I gotta change the jack to this side now, because this was for the passengers, I mean the driver's side. This one's for the passenger side. Okay, be back guys. This bracket is a little, I mean this mount on the passenger side is a little harder than the other one. See, it's almost out, but I got the engine all the way up, and look, it's not even out. That's crazy. Anyway, there's the bolts in the bracket. Okay guys, the mounting is already out, and it's supposed to be a little more long than that. It's already out from the bracket. Let's see how can I get it out of there. At least I'm saving about $3,000 right here. Okay, I got 3 bolts out. Let's see, now it's loose. Let me see how can I get it out now. I think that blade gonna make me the light impossible, this one. Choice. I gotta take the bracket that was there. Let me see. That's the only way. There's no way to get that thing off. This bracket. This bracket. And the neck to get it out there. Anyway, it's gone. Okay, it's right here now. Okay, come on now. Come on, baby. Ariane, try to get it out from top. See if you can get it out from top. Oh no, never mind, never mind. It doesn't go top. It doesn't go to the top. Let me see this way. Let's see. Dang. See if you can get it. Oh, he doesn't want to go this way. Can you get it out from there? No? No, right. It doesn't fit, right? Okay, let me see through here. Okay, let me see this way. Come on, man. Okay, got it. Got it. Ah, finally. Pain in the neck, man. Let me know. It's crazy. Yeah, got it out. Okay. Okay. Now we gotta pull a new one. Same way I got off though. I got the other one off. You hold the camera. There you go. Now the bracket. The bracket. If you're catching or walking. Mount bracket. I gotta put 2 more bolts on the bracket. This one is way out. You see it? On the other side. Yeah. It's on the other side. Let's see.
Right there. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Yeah, the pedal down.
Your left, not my left. Okay. Right. That's another one I gotta go from top. Are you catching up? Okay. I leave a little loose so when the engine comes down, just get adjusted myself. Okay guys, now we're gonna drop the engine. Okay area. Go ahead, real slow. Slow. Hold on. Okay, try now. Real slow. Okay, slow. Keep going. Slow. Okay, leave it there. Let's see the screw now. We got it. Let me see the mirror. I gotta see if I can see the hole. Secure the jack. It's coming down. Okay, cool. The mirror is, I don't know where I put it. I think it's on top. Okay. I gotta stop the camera. Okay guys, that's it. The engine mount already on reinstalled. Now we're gonna work with the transmission mount. I already got the jack on it. Transmission right there is the sump, and then we got 4 screws here. I mean both. One there, one here, and one here. So I gotta drop the panel and the mount is inside there. Okay, let's do it.
Okay guys, this is the transmission mount, but unfortunately I cannot record that one because this is not the right one for the car. So this one is different. It's supposed to be for the car, but depends on the year. You know, it's different years. So I gotta make separate video regarding to that because I gotta send this one back. Okay, and get the new one. The one belongs to the car. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video regarding to the motor mount, and see you next time in this video. Okay, have a good day. Bye.
MKP Bugatti Video Production.